My name is Pod Claire. I'm a community artist and I'm the artist who coordinated getting this mural together. I did the drawings, came up with the concept of the child one end, the granny the other end, and the bit in the middle where the things overlap.
So my name is Steph Glover. I've been the project coordinator for our Ray Play project. So the aim was to bring communities together, bring different generations together, so that old and young can learn from one another, and to improve social connectedness, and also to maximise the potential use of digital technologies as well.
Well, we sent out lots of questionnaires to all sorts of people in the community, and we also talked to groups. The older people and the younger people, what did you play when you were young? And we got many, many responses, and we coordinated them, and so we put the ones, the most popular ones for the children and the older people. And there was quite a big area of overlap, which we've put in the middle, and they're all, funnily enough, outdoor things and pretty much free, like playing on the beach or climbing a tree. Everybody who's participated in this project has really, really enjoyed it. They've enjoyed talking about the play things. They've enjoyed the people who transferred the drawings onto the tile. We were able to do that by sending out packs, and they did them in glaze, which were then fired. Apart from the actual making of it, the people talk a lot as they walk past here, intergenerationally, you know, older people talking about what they did, and the younger people are interested in how different it was, and they talk about which is their favourite, and enjoy looking for little toys and little hidden things inside this mosaic, like dice and little ladybirds and things like that.
So we've got a newspaper as well. So we've got a printed version of that and a digital version that contains all the stories, the interviews, all the artwork, all these amazing people that have been part of our project, and again encourage those conversations again on play, just trying to get the community and the different generations to learn from one another, build on those relationships, improve social connectedness, and just encourage a bit of kindness, really.
When I walk past, I feel proud because it's a joint effort, not just with the dementia group, but the other groups that participate here. And I think we've all done a really good job, obviously with the help of Pod, who's been brilliant. But she's encouraged us and just said, just get on with it. She's, you know, doesn't tell you off. She just helps you to get on and choose your colours. There's no particular pattern or anything. She just tells you what to do. It's lovely.